Oh, geez, thanks. Thanks for that, how much he gave me. It's crazy. I get it, though. If they overdo it. All right, guys, we got Top Notch Football Break number 75. And roll the dice. 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. 6 bottom box. Next box we'll break in football is 2, 6, 8. Oops, had it backwards. 81. Now, I'm confused because I thought these teams didn't have hits anymore. Oh, man, maybe I'm just dreaming that, like, they're done having hits. That's probably what it is. It's probably a dream. Yeah, that's what it is. Only explanation. Wait a minute, boys and girls. Is this a... Whoa, what? Oh my god. Dude, you guys are gonna trip, man. Dude, what the heck? This is a hot box. It must be. What the heck? Cardinals. Fanatics. 8x10 Kenyon Drake. Arizona. What the heck is going on? Sliding that back in there for a sec, okay? Alright. It's in there. It's in there. It's not on here. It's back in there. Alright. Next up. I thought these guys were done hitting. What is going on? Amari Cooper. Autograph mini helmet for the Dallas Cowboys. I guess they still have hits. Amari Coop. Here we go, Cowboys. Here we go. And for the Broncos, we got a jersey of Drew Lock. Beckett, certified. Drew Lock. All right, hot box. Hot box. Yeah, right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's 3 hits. Yeah, 3 hits. Michael Vick. Michael Vick. Oh. That is Atlanta Falcons, Steelers, Eagles, and Jets. Talk about a curveball. Talk about a curveball. All right, so usually it's been a Hollywood star or something like that. It's kind of a cool looking change up though. It's actually a nice looking 8x10. All right, let's see. Okay, Cowboys don't have hits now. They're done. Cowboys are done. 4 CD Lambs, 2 Roger Starbucks, 3 Troy Aikmans, and about 10 other hits. They're done now. All right, Cowboys. That is Dennis L. Dennis. Nice hit, Dennis. Nice helmet, brother. Then we got Arizona Cards. Milkman. Milkman with the AZ. Now we got the Broncos. Okay, Denver. Denver is Shannon. Matter of fact, I think that's the last team mojo that Shannon got. One of them. I think. Could be wrong. Okay. Alright, so now we got Vic Random. Interesting. Okay, left to right. So we'll go... Let's go like that. So that'd be Steelers, Atlanta, Jets, and Eagles. Or no, I'm sorry. It would go Eagles, Steelers, Atlanta, Jets. There we go. Yeah. Okay. All right. Because that'd be the first position. Yeah, there we go. It doesn't really matter, but try to just keep it consistent. Yeah, it is pretty cool, actually. Oops, I put random.com. That's not going to do me much good. Eight times. Eagles, Steelers, Atlanta, So we got Eagles, Steelers, Falcons, and Jets. 8 times was the random. Top team gets it. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Going to the Eagles. 8 times going to the Eags. Going to the Eagles. All right, Eagles belong to. All right, Eagles are going to Ed. There we go, Eddie. Eddie Toro. All right, there we go. Revolution Basketball sold out.